All right, welcome back to Crypto Front. This is the front line where we are fighting together side by side for financial freedom. Let me make a quick update here on the Jasmy price chart, just as I have been promising that we're going to be making these short updates every now and then because we are in a very fast news cycle and things are happening very much rapidly. So we have got a rumor, and I'm just going to tie it real fast as to how that is going to be affecting the Jasmy price chart. Today at 2:30 Eastern time, the crypto czar for Donald Trump, the president of the United States, is going to be having a press conference, and I would think that this is somehow going to be a little bit bullish for crypto. I know it sounds like moon boy stuff, but in moments like where we are right now in this crypto space, I think there needs to be some kind of a pick me up kind of a moment, and it may be just that there is going to be something positive announced right there. Some people are speculating that this is when the Bitcoin reserve is going to be announced and stuff like that. I'm not really sure about that. Again, it's a rumor, but if we look at the Jasmy price set here, maybe we can get some clues, because again, Jasmy is representing the rest of the crypto market. They all have the same structure like this one, if you haven't been paying attention. So yesterday I was making an update and I was saying that, look, we've gotten to a 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level, and usually we see some kind of an initial rejection here. I think that we have a chance to go ahead and go for the higher high that usually ensues with structures like this. Usually you're looking at 2.8 cents, 3 cents as a potential next rejection. So right now Jasmy is at 2.4, 2.5 cents, and so from here, considering that we have got a possible news event, a rumor, to be honest with you, maybe, just maybe, we can still have some juice to go ahead and test higher retracement levels, right? So for somebody who didn't watch the updates that I've been making, it's that when we have flash crashes like the one that we have had in the last, I don't know how many hours, maybe 78 or 72 hours, we can say, we usually have this waterfall crash, which is very much brutal, but we have a quick rise towards the upside. We have a secondary test here, which is not really, doesn't set a new low, but we get into the big decision making point here, the retracement levels, where you can either get a rejection and totally collapse towards the downside, or you can potentially get a big pump from here once you clear Fibonacci retracement levels. So this is going to be big crossroads here for Jasmy once you get to something like 2.8, 3 cents thereabout. But let's see how the news event is going to be affecting the Jasmy price. That right now I don't have a side that I'm on, but I'm in a trade right now leading towards 2.8 cents. Once we get there, I'm totally neutral because I have to be open for both scenarios. It's 100% going to depend on what the crypto czar potentially says. We also have got other two big pieces of news. Before I talk about those ones, I want to kindly ask you to help me spread the video just by delicately tapping the like button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm and tells the algorithm that, even though this is a quick update, this information is very much relevant. So we were saying that Fidelity was buying up to 49, I can say $50 million basically of Ethereum. Who else has been buying Ethereum? That's World Liberty Finance, that is also very much connected to Trump, and we saw even the president's son yesterday shilling Ethereum. That was really interesting. Now, just 15 minutes ago, we also had news. China is opening an antitrust investigation into Nvidia and Google. This is also the backdrop of the 10 to 15% tariffs on United States imports, which, to be honest with you, really doesn't make a big impact, because if we look at the import and export statistics here, we see that China, when it comes to energy, for example, China is only importing up to 6% of what the United States exports totally, which is like 4 million tons compared to 87 million tons that is exported as well by the United States of America. In terms of agriculture, I don't think there is a lot of money right there, because I remember Trump had made a deal back in 2018 or 2019, really I don't remember, before the COVID-19 pandemic, and that was about what, $50 billion, meaning, this is not a lot of money. So there isn't much about the tariffs here. So I think China is trying to get some leverage here by investigating US companies like Microsoft, Google, Nvidia and stuff like that. So we'll see how the trade war is going to continue. But yeah, from a chart perspective here, I would be anticipating Jasmy to go ahead and at least kiss that Fibonacci retracement level right around 2.8 cents. So that's why I'm in a trade right now. Yesterday I was shorting at 2.6 cents and took some profits right around 2.3 cents, which is what we were talking about in the previous update. So now, because I anticipate a run towards 2.8 cents, 3 cents thereabout, I'm also in a long position. Let's see how that goes. So I hope you got some value out of this. I want to thank you so much for watching the video. If you could, please delicately tap the like button, share the video with your friends and family, and then I'll have to see you on the next one. Take good care of yourselves. Bye bye.